For generations, a people wandered disconnected from their identity, scattered, broken, forgotten by the world. But the Most High never forgot his people. The time of awakening has begun. The Spirit of Yahuwah is being poured out, eyes are opening, minds are awakening, souls are remembering. The tribe of Judah, rising from spiritual sleep, walking in wisdom, strength, discipline, and truth. No longer broken, no longer lost, no longer blind to who they are. The sons and daughters of Jacob are awakening to their purpose. The Most High is restoring power, restoring unity, restoring identity. A generation once divided, now stands together in spiritual authority. Not through hate, not through pride, but through truth, faith, and obedience. The world may not understand the awakening, but prophecy is unfolding before their eyes. The dry bones are rising. The sleeping are waking. Judah remembers. The Spirit of Yahuwah is moving across the earth, calling his people back home, calling Jacob to rise. This is not the end. This is the beginning of the awakening. Wake up, Jacob. Remember who you are.